Yo, what's going on, guys? It's your boy Kenny. Welcome back to our channel. In this video, we're gonna talk about the 4 basic essential calisthenic exercise. This video will help you to unlock difficult movements such as front lever, back lever, handstand, plunge, and many more. So make sure you stick around and finish the video. So if you are new to this channel, please consider subscribing. Without further ado, so the first essential exercise is push-ups. So why is this important? These push-ups can improve your posture. This exercise is hitting your chest, shoulder, tricep, and abs. You can perform it anywhere. Push-ups is the foundation of advanced exercise, so make sure you start from the basic. I have a whole video about it, how to do the right push-ups, so make sure you check that out if you want to know how to do it. I'll put the link somewhere here in this video. So how many push-ups should I do? Depends on your age. Take a look up here. As you can see, the older you get, the less reps you need to do. The bottom line is you may not be able to reach these numbers, but that doesn't mean you won't get the benefits from adding push-up to your exercise routine. The pull-ups. The next essential exercise is pull-ups. Obviously, this is one of the most popular exercise in calisthenics. Pull-ups is targeting your biceps, backs, and abs. Make sure you add this on your exercise because this is one of the crucial exercises there is when you're doing calisthenics. When it's hard for you to do a pull-ups, you can use an assistant band, because when you do it with assist band, it's really good. You're still building that muscle and strength to pull yourself up, and I myself use assistance band when I feel my muscle is fatigued. And don't be ashamed using it, because it's always better to have the right motion in every rep instead of having a lot of reps but not doing the right thing. Quick fact about pull-ups: slowly and carefully controlled pull-ups are excellent for improving joint strength in your wrists, elbow, and shoulder, which can decrease your risk of sprain and pulled muscle. The sit-ups. The next exercise is sit-ups. Sit-ups is one of the foundation calisthenics that you can start doing right now, and our core is targeting your abs and obliques, the side of the abs. A lot of you probably doing this. It's always good to have a nice core, because our core actually protects us. Our core gives us a balance in every exercise we do. We get our strength from here, so observe it. So when you're not actually training your abs, it can actually injure you in some ways. Like how? So when you're doing a pull-ups, you actually have to flex your ab to stay steady. When you're not flexing it, or when your core is weak, it can throw you up out balance, and same thing in other exercises. So you want to avoid imbalanced training. So the good thing about calisthenics, the major exercises are hitting your whole body, like push-up, pull-ups, and many more. So it gives you a nice good balance of strength, and that alone can prevent an injury. So overall, your abs will protect you. Last but not the least is squat. This is important because our legs are the largest muscle group in our body. That muscle group I'm talking about is the glutes, the hamstring, the calves, and the quads. You want to train this muscle group because you don't want to have having an upper body that's so big and your legs is small. Of course, in calisthenics we kind of have a limited option of exercising, but it still works, don't get me wrong. But in training your legs, I would recommend using weights, because it just gives you a lot of possibilities and a lot of workload, so your muscle can evolve more. Here's the benefits of doing the squat. 1, functional exercise, make real life activities easier. Next is burn more fat and maintain mobility and balance, prevent injuries, and boost your sport performance, such as jump higher and run faster. Of course, all these benefits you would only get it when you do the squat in the proper way. So one quick tip, you still have to flex your abs while doing the squat. Alright, that's it for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it and learned something from it. If you do, please leave a like and subscribe so you won't miss a video like this, and click that small bell in there, and follow me on Instagram. I personally put a lot of hours creating this video, filming, recording. Please share it to someone else, and I'm out. Peace, guys. Have a good one.